Hey guys, welcome to our channel The Child. Today I'm going to show you picture series with the sound G and the letter is G. Okay, so before watching this video, we just want to inform you that we have our playlist. If you see the language playlist, language English, we have given various videos, right, starting from enrichment of vocabulary. What are the activities that are required for the preparation? Okay, before introducing an activity or before introducing a skill, Montessori she believed in preparing the child's mind according to the skill. So before introducing phonetics is nothing but sounds, and we are making the child more conscious that language is composed of sounds. Before introducing phonetics, what are the preparatory activities that has to be given to a child? There are various activities: sound recognition activities, oral phonetic analysis, I Spy game. Those activities are there. You can check our playlist. And after introducing phonetics, how to level up the child from phonetics to words. So first we saw movable alphabet. That way we are making the child more independent to form words. Okay, now we are seeing picture series. This is an extension of movable alphabet with pictures for every letter. Okay, for every alphabet. Okay, we'll go ahead and see this. Now, if you place order for this movable alphabet box, we can do it for you. The material description of this movable alphabet is there in the video. Movable alphabet, that is the video name. Okay, movable alphabet. Now, for this we need pictures related to this sound G. So in the description box you can see the various activities that we can do post this activity, and how you can get the pictures related to the sound. I will give you a link in the description box. If you click that, you can see pictures. Okay, you can take a color printout and cut it such that it is very handy for the child. The size should be more like an identity card size. Okay, now let's start. Make sure to invite the child. You can say by saying that, shall we see more pictures, like that, or shall we work with mobile alphabet box, like that. And now make sure the child is sitting on left and ask the child, what is the sound? The child may say G, and take the pictures out and keep the name slips aside, which we will take only later, so that we keep it aside. Ask the child to arrange the pictures so that the child can take a global view of the related pictures with the sound G. I have 6 pictures. For every sound you can keep even 8 to 10 pictures. Okay, I have 6 pictures to start with. And ask the child to say the name of the picture. The child may say pick. If the child needs help, you can also say it. Jog, pug, flag, fog, wag. Okay, so for wagging the tail, so in indicating the tail, we have mentioned wag. You can take these 2 pictures aside and keep it later also. For the formation of words, to start with, we can have few. Now, if the child is very confident and if the child is able to do movable alphabet on her own, then doing picture series, definitely the child will feel easy to do it. If the child needs help, you can do the right help at the right time in the right manner. Okay, so to start with, ask the child what is the name of the picture. If the child says pick, then ask the child to form the word. Listen, you can say You can simply say, can you listen to all the sounds in this word pig and form the word? You can say like that. Or if the child needs help, you can say, what is the first sound you hear? P, p, pig. In the word pig, what is the first sound you hear? Then the child will take this and keep it here. Pig, pig, ig, ig. So what is the next sound you hear? Ig. So emphasize on that sound so that it will be easy. So pig, g. G. Also ask, do you hear any other sound after g? Pig. The child should be able to say, I am not hearing any other sound after g. So which means this is the last sound. Similarly, you can do for jog. Jog. So what is the first sound? So this is completely depends on the child. Okay, if the child is independent to do it, you no need to give any help. If the child needs help, you can do it. Jog, og, g. So for the next sound, you need to emphasize on that sound. So like that, pug, flag, wag its tail, wag, and fog. Now, what is the purpose of name slips? So we are here highlighting or emphasizing on the sound g. So g will be highlighted in red color. Okay. So for example, this one, p. Okay, p, e, g. So this is how the child will match the name slip. So this is also in a way we are helping the child to do self-correction, to do self-assessment of their own work. Okay, so jog. So like this, the child will keep the name slip. So what are this is the parent activity. Okay, parent activity means the main activity related with this pouch. Okay, what are the other activities which is possible in this material? Okay, the child can do read and copy. Okay, after writing like after forming the words like this, give paper and pen and ask the child to read and copy. Okay, this way it it gets registered in their mind. And read and copy, read and match. Ask the child to remove this and then what you can do, just ask the child to read and match. Yeah, here. So here, og. So the child will read and match with the picture. So first one is read and copy. So after finishing the formation of words, the child can just read and copy in their notebook. The second one is read and match. You can also give an activity like read and draw. Not necessary that the child has to draw as such in the picture. Something related to the picture also that we can allow the child to do. So read and copy, read and match, read and draw. And the fourth activity like, so like this the child can, this is all about read and match. Okay. So like this is read and match. The other activities are like look at the pictures and write. So give only the picture, ask the child to look at the pictures and write. So these are the other various ways of making use of the same material. So look at the pictures and write. And you can mix pictures from different pouches, from per, from the, like that. And then put a title. Look at the pictures and write. So the child will write. And what you can do, just you can write the title as, just write 5 words with the sound g. So that is another activity. All these activities I have given in the description box. So read and copy, read and match, read and draw, look at the pictures and write. Write 5 words that starts with the sound G. You can simply mix pictures from different pouches, and you can also give it to the child. Just give the pictures and ask the child to write. So this way we are reinforcing the sound G to the child. So if the child is going to learn like this, then this learning is for a lifetime. They will never ever forget. And if we are if the child is going to learn by doing some activity, then it gets registered in their senses. So it will be very easy for the child. If you like this video, please share with your friends, especially in the parent circle, so that it will be very helpful for them. If someone is looking for ideas on how to introduce phonetics, on how to help the child to form words, it will be really useful for them. You can share with even grandparents. Nowadays grandparents are looking how to engage the child. So they can engage the child in a very productive way. So please subscribe to our channel, and if you like it, please share with your friends, and thank you for watching.